bathroom vanity may look old, worn, and uninspired right now, but it has potential. With refinishing, small upgrades, and attention to detail, no replacement needed. By the end of this makeover, this plain, basic cabinet will become a stylish, modern focal point for the entire bathroom. First, remove all the doors and drawers to make the rest of the job much easier. Taking everything off ensures you can sand and paint evenly. Next, shut off the water supply. Then disconnect the plumbing and take out the old faucet. Careful, no spills. Then take down the old vanity light and clear the area. Once everything is removed, the vanity is ready for prep work. Now we're moving on to sanding the vanity base and drawer fronts. Light, consistent sanding helps paint stick better and prevents peeling later on. Take your time to get a smooth, consistent surface. It makes the whole result look professional. Now the fun part, giving the vanity a brand new finish with paint. We're using an all-in-one paint and primer for durability and great coverage. 2 coats are ideal for a smooth, even look. Just let each coat dry fully in between. Don't rush drying. Patience gives you a sleek, streak-free finish. In just a few steps, the old worn-out look is completely gone. With the paint dry, it's time to install the new vanity light. A modern, matte black fixture helps elevate the whole vanity and ties the room together. Next up, installing the new faucet. Always run water through the lines first to flush out dust or debris before connecting the faucet. Reconnect the plumbing, then test for leaks to make sure everything works properly. A new faucet instantly makes the vanity feel more updated and high-end. We're keeping the original mirror to save money, but we're giving it a custom look with a frame. Apply liquid nail, then attach the frame firmly to the mirror. Hold it steady for a minute to let the adhesive set for a clean, professional look. Now it's time for hardware. New handles completely change the vibe. Drill new holes for modern matte black handles. Adjustable handles work great if you're covering old holes. The small details are what make this makeover feel complete. Check that doors and drawers open smoothly, clean up any edges, and tidy the whole space. Every small improvement adds up to a huge difference. It went from dull and dated to sleek, modern, and stylish, easily the star of the bathroom. This is DIY at its best, big results, low cost, and totally doable. If you try this vanity makeover, I'd love to see how it turns out. Like, subscribe, and follow for more simple, budget-friendly bathroom transformations. You can totally transform your space. Go get started.